Hi everybody, today I just make a short video to explain you how to clean the Pit Boss griddle easily with or without the new brush from Pit Boss. You will see that immediately. Let's say that you just finished cooking, so the griddle is still warm. You just have to remove all the residues, okay, and put them in a grease drawer, okay? And now you just have to wipe the griddle, the whole surface of the griddle, with a towel. It's a really paper towel. It's really easy to do, and the griddle will stay clean every time. But let's say, like today, that I have some residues that are not easy to clean. Okay. So I will use some clean water. And I will softly brush the griddle. And it's perfect.